Guangdong Newdermo Biotech Company Limited, established in 2015, is a professional manufacturer actively engaging in the research, development, sale, and service of microdermabrasion machine, facial cleansing brush, LED facial machine, skin shaver, and other beauty devices like these. We are located in the first tier of China, Guangzhou City, with convenient transportation access. 20 minutes drive to Guangzhou South Railway Station. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staffs are always available to discuss your requirements and reach full customer satisfaction. Embodied the spirit of craftsmanship and the mindset of sciences, our products are dedicated to bring the best experiences to our customers. In addition, adhering to a high industry standard and social responsibility, we have obtained CE, ROSE, REACH, BSCI certificates, and been widely recognized by public. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in other countries and regions such as North America, Europe, South America, Australia, Middle East, etc. Backed by a strong R&D team, we welcome a full customized order that is from marketing research, product proposals to product design, appearance, structure, electrocircuit. Also, we can provide opening mold or the semi-finished processing service. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk and share your thinking with our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.